Hey Zeus, hey Cornelius. Well, happy first day of fall, at least when we're recording this. By the time you see it, still happy fall, happy autumn equinox, happy Rosh Hashanah, happy whatever you might be celebrating today or this week. How else would we celebrate? With a toy. And after surviving Enchanted Fairy Fest, I'm still feeling kind of magical vibes. Let's see what we can do. Whoa. Mega crystal creatures? I'm feeling magical. I feel like we have to hatch these, build them. I say, let's open it up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And today we're bringing you Crystal Creatures by Mega Bloks. This line is more magical, mystical. It has some dragons, some unicorns, some like keyrin, very nature forest spirit. Why are we destroying that? And of course, slime. All right, so we have the plastic wrap off of all three. Ooh, so I mentioned it's mostly like unicorns and deer. There was a chance for dragons. I think we got the one I really wanted. So this is series 3 of the Crystal Creatures. Oh, well, spoilers, this shows you all the creatures you can get, but also the directions, which means right off the bat, we got the one I wanted the most. Ooh, it's like a purple glitter slime. Oh, this slime's fancy. I don't know if you can see the like glitter to it. They could have just threw everything in one and gave you one colored slime, but no. They went and gave you 2 colored slimes. Zeus, it's you. What are you doing back there? Causing a ruckus. There's gonna be lots of articulation, which is awesome, but that means that's a lot of parts to put together. All right, so I will admit it does have a few of these little like flower pieces to go on the wings, and it's not exactly cooperating at the moment, and I really want to get to next. I love this creature. There is slime particles everywhere. Nuh-uh. I don't know how I lucked out, but I think I got the other dragon. I do need an adult, but it is what it is. Zeus, no, you can't play with this. Zeus is the responsible one in the household. Or is it Cornelius? I don't know. Ain't nobody responsible in this house. What? You always have to smell slime. And this actually doesn't smell bad. Ooh. Oh, this is straight up like gonna be golden slime. Yeah, look at, I didn't want to get the shine in. This is, yeah, like straight up metallic looking. It's golden and it is amazing. Oh my god. That is so amazing. The fact that we got the 2 drakes. Alright. Well, I already win, so this can be anything. I was kind of hoping for one of deer. Ooh. It's fiery, whatever it is. Oh god, I just flung it on my thigh. Ew. I am open to many things, but slime on the thigh is not one. Okay. This thing is so cool. Oh god, I'm dripping slime. Okay. Overall, these are amazing. The designs of the creatures, I have 2 Wyvern style dragons and this, oh my god, amazing, just deer-like nature spirit, but this is like true fantasy, mystical vibes to me. I am in love with these. But the detail, from the speckles on the paint to certain patterns, these are amazing. And the whole, you get a cool little storage egg, really decent slime, whether it was glittery or that metallic. Overall, these are a hardcore win. Especially because I got the main 2 I wanted, so I'm really happy. So, thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More slimy magic. Alright, we got to. Oh no, it went into my pieces. Oops. I just made art. I made rainbow slime. I love it so much. I had to get it out of all their nooks and crannies, and now I need to get it out of mine. And here we have the Mega Crystal Creatures, part of the Mega Constructs brand by Mattel. It's a very magical, mystical kind of day.